Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung Xpress M2026w or M2026 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check out PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search type, download Samsung Xpress M2026w printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. HP printer and Samsung printers are now combined. That's why all Samsung printer drivers are in the our HP side. So open the first link, whatever first link is, and HP or Samsung official website or the printer official website is open. Here we find the printer name. Here we find our operating system and the bit. If bit is not right or operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Click on the Windows in a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. My machine is 64-bit, so I select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down. Here we find main option is driver product installation software. Expand it. Here we find basic drivers. Expand basic drivers. Here we find two drivers, no installer, and second is the Samsung SLM2020 series printer. It is a full driver and this is an only the basic drivers or the only drivers. Okay, here we find the full software with the drivers. So I go to the here Samsung M2020. It's and series printer include mini printer include our these two printers. So click on this download, click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page of the official web page, and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is complete in a few seconds. Go to the here downloads, go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and there are many ways to install it, but best way is double click on it or right click on it and click on the run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds and click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. Welcome messages appear on your screen in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our welcome screen is appear. Click on the next. Here we find terms and conditions. Select this, check these two options and click on the next. Here we find three options. If you're using new printer or installing printer on your PC or laptop, then select new printer. If you're using existing printer, means printer is already installed, then click it here. And if you want to install or attach your printer later, power on your cable or you not attach your USB cable to your PC or laptop, then select no printer connection. I select new printer connection or new printer and click on the next. Here we find three options. If you're using only the USB cables, then select this USB. Attach your USB cable to from your PC or laptop to your printer and make sure power on your printer. Okay, select this and click on next. If you want to network connection, attach your Ethernet to from printer to your PC or laptop. You can use your printer on the multiple PC by this simple way. Select this and click on the next and install it. If you're using wireless, then go to the wireless, select wireless. Using your router or the network connection or internet connection, you can use your same printer to your mobile or from router or any mobile, any PC or any device that you want by this Wi-Fi connection. Select this wireless connection, click on the next, and you find the your router Wi-Fi connection. Then select that router connection and make sure add your router password, and make sure attach your USB cable to your PC to laptop for the first time. Okay, on second time you can use your Wi-Fi connection. Next and install it. In this case, I go to the USB, I select USB connection and click on the next. After next, you find this kind of option. Select next. Here you find the printer name. It is using Samsung Universal Printer Driver 3. It is an old style printer. It's using these drivers. If you want to change the name of this printer, then select properties and give any name that you like. I use Samsung Xpress. You can give any name. SL M2026W. You can give any name that you like. If you want to default printer, then select set this printer as default. Select this, check this, click on the OK. After that, click on the next. Now installation process is started and it takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our installation is complete. Click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, scroll down, and if you find your printer name Samsung Xpress M2026W, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.